Hey everyone, so I'm filming this intro last because I filmed a video and I put it together, but I realized I didn't have an intro. I am going to be running some errands, doing some chores, unboxing a few things, so stick around if that's what you want to see. I ordered 2 packages from Scotty Sire's website because I absolutely love his merch and I'm gonna try it on. It says crew on the front, and on the back it says ruin your party. Ah, oh my gosh. I think it's kind of cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm gonna try on the other one now. Oh my gosh. So it's the Lonely hoodie. This one is also like pretty big as well because I got them in extra large because I like really big sweaters and they usually shrink in the wash. So I like this one. I think it's kind of cute. They are really soft. I'm so happy about that. Ah, oh my gosh. This makes me happy. Oh, it's so cute and soft, oh my gosh. So, my room's a little messy right now. I went out to the store and I just bought this board and some thumbtacks because I'm gonna maybe make a video using this, potentially. And now I'm just gonna clean my room because I have laundry that I need to do and I should probably clean. Update, I just moved everything onto my bed because my dad's gonna vacuum it and then I'm gonna sort it all out and put it away. Alright, so it's actually been like 4 hours since I last filmed because I actually stopped filming to watch a show with my dad. We started watching the show called Manifest and it is so good. My dad and I finished the first season in 3 days and it was just amazing. I would totally recommend it because the plot is amazing, the characters are incredible, and yeah. But now I have to continue cleaning because there's no way that I can sleep tonight with all of that on my bed. So far I finished my laundry. As you can see, my basket is empty. It's all in my closet. And now on to the next part. I realized I have a lot of binders and I don't even use them. So like, I don't know what to do with them. I might use them because I have schoolwork that I should probably put in it, but I don't know where to put this. Me trying to organize is just putting things in different places. This probably makes no sense. I've been able to use 1, 2, 3. I'm using 4 of my binders so far, but I have 2 more. And I also have this cute little, what's it called? It's like a folder. I like it, but I'm not using those because I don't really have anything to use it with. So right now all I have are these. Those are probably just gonna go off to the side and then I'm almost there. I'm getting there. I needed to hole punch some of my notes and I couldn't find my hole puncher and I'm looking around my room because my desk is a mess. So I was like, I don't know where it is and it's right here. I can't find things sometimes when clearly they're right in front of me. Okay, so another quick little like unboxing. I bought some books from Indigo and I plan to read these over the summer, but I don't know if I'm gonna get through them all. I hope I do, but I got Desperate Characters by Paula Fox. I'm like really excited to read this because I've heard good things about it. I got Impossible Vacation by Spadling Gray, The Western Coast by Paula Fox. I don't know if that's gonna focus. And then I also got You by Caroline Kepnes. I watched the entire season of You that was on Netflix in one day, so I'm really looking forward to reading the book. I already read a few chapters, but I'm trying to read my school readings first and then enjoy this later. Am I the only one who gets distracted when cleaning? Because I just found this picture frame and it's one where you can like paint in and design the outside, and I've just been coloring it with a pen. I wonder, does anyone remember this? Because, okay, I'm gonna ask a lot of questions throughout this video, probably because when I'm cleaning, I always find things and I just end up, like, it takes me back in time. Oh my gosh. Oh, is it dead? It's probably dead. Oh, that kind of sucks. But this brings back memories. I only write in pencil, and the only pens I'll ever use are these Paper Mate pens. And so I literally went out and I bought 60 pens. And then I also, these are my favorite highlighters because they're just like, they're perfect. So this is my pen box and it's gonna go in here. Okay, I would like to say that I did a really good job organizing this. It's more organized now than it was before, which is obvious, but I'm really happy with that. Wow. Now I can put this away and move on to the next part. I always collect my like movie tickets or concert tickets just because I like to keep the memories. Okay, so I moved to under my little desk and I'm cleaning all my boxes out, and I found this one container with old schoolwork, or well, I guess fun things, because this was when I thought that I was gonna be some mad scientist. As you can see, June 23rd, 2008, experiment 1. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I still have this. Oh, and I used to read the series, and they would go into the treehouse and like, is it the Magic Treehouse? I need to look this up, hold on. Was it the Magic Tree? Oh my god, yeah. Okay, so I used to read the Magic Treehouse series and I felt like I was like one of the characters and I would always take notes, and for the one time they went to space, I remember I read that one book and I took notes on space because I thought I was gonna be some astronaut. When I read books or when I watch shows, I get really into it and I feel like I'm one of the characters. I realized that stacking boxes is like Tetris. This is difficult, but I will get through it. Okay, so this is the best I could come up with. I think it looks fine. I'm super conflicted because I have these photos up right now, but I also have a bunch of other photos in here, and I don't know if I should keep all of these photos up or if I should switch them around. Are fidget spinners still a thing? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have 7 fidget spinners. 7 fidget spinners. I don't even play with them all, but you know, they're still nice to have around. Aside from like this mess here, I think this is done so far. I didn't change the pictures, and I honestly just like organized here as well as like over here. But yeah, I'm still working on my desk. This looks really organized. I'm happy with this. I organized the top here, and then I still need to tackle here. Oh my gosh. Well, it is 1 a.m. Oh, it's out of focus. That's what it is. I just finished cleaning. I'm kind of quiet right now because everyone's sleeping, so bear with me. But I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I did. So we're gonna start from the beginning. So, ignoring all of that, because that needs to go downstairs, this is the final, like, space for the desk. And as I said before, I didn't change the photos. If we go down here, this box is papers from all the past readings I had for school. And then I'm gonna probably burn those or just throw them out. And then these are binders and folders that I don't really know what I'm gonna do with yet. This is my paperwork for my old job that I might be doing a video on, maybe, who knows. I want to, but I know I'm gonna get a really loud reaction for whatever I say or do about my work experience. So I'll think about it, and who knows. Then for my desk, I have my pens all nicely put together in here. I have my hole puncher. I need that for school. And then my tripod and headset and some binders there. Then the top of my desk, I have like my little book collection here. I have more books downstairs, but these are my favorite books at the moment. I have this drawing I drew in, I think, 9th grade. We had to draw this perspective art, and it had to be a disaster, so I have like lightning and tornadoes. And I have my charging station over here for my camera. Down here are my books for school and my binders. I don't need to carry them every day, so I just put them off to the side here. Then I have my laptop and my backpack. I made my bed. Yes, I still sleep with toys. And over here, this is all going to be used for a video that I'm planning to shoot and upload. I have some CDs and movies. These are like some of my favorite movies and CDs. And then I have some children books here. And of course I have the Twilight series because I really liked reading it. And I like the movies too. They were okay. And I have some more children's books and graphic novels. And then some magazines here. I have my piano, which I don't really know much piano, and I want to teach myself that, so it might be a summer goal, because I know one song on the piano, but that's pretty much it, and I want to learn more. And then this is the closet. So I did organize my hats and belts, and I have some paintings in here that I don't know if I'm going to hang up. I should, probably, maybe. I know I want to paint over this big one. And I have my clothes, and then I have some bags on the floor. That's gonna be it for this video, I think. I should probably end it here because it is 1:04 a.m. and I should probably go to sleep. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see you later.